गोंयकारांक ॲप बेस्ड टॅक्सी जाय की नाका ते विचारूंक प्रुडंट आनी टीटीएजीचो सोशल मिडिया पोस्ट. निकाल आयलो ते प्रमाण टीटीएजीच्या पोला प्रमाण 1544 लोकांनी मतदान केल्लें. 95.8% लोकांक ॲप बेस्ड टॅक्सी जाय, फकत 4.2% लोकांक ॲप बेस्ड टॅक्सी नाका. प्रुडंटाच्या इंस्टाग्रामा वेल्या पोला प्रमाण वट्ट 13,271 लोकांनी मतदान केला. 7,006 लोकांक म्हळ्यार 53% लोकांक ॲप बेस्ड टॅक्सी जाय. 6,265 लोकांक म्हळ्यार 47% लोकांक ॲप बेस्ड टॅक्सी नाका. प्रुडंटाचो ट्विटर पोल 3,373 लोकांनी मतदान केला. वट्ट 94% लोकांक ॲप बेस्ड टॅक्सी जाय.
Designed a survey wherein we decided to test whether people wanted apps or not. A Google form was created and only 2 questions were put before the respondents. One is whether they wanted an app or no, and second is for their suggestion. This survey was released on 3rd June. This survey form was released on 3rd June, and till the morning of 4th June, that is till 10 a.m. on 4th June, we have received 1954 responses. Out of this 1954 responses, 96% have voted in favor of apps, whereas 4% have said they do not want apps. Based on this overwhelming response, which is also corresponds with surveys done by other organizations, I think it's very clear that the people of Goa want apps and the government should take this forward.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडंट.